Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Okay, today's item from our enthusiast Notion box comes to us in our red and white striped bag. So this one has a clue on it that says the purse. All right, so today's next item in our Notions countdown box, Rosa's Holiday Your Way, is our red and white striped bag. And so this has a clue on it that says the pursuit of happiness. And so pursuit is spelled interestingly, purse, but then there's also suit. So I don't really know, are we going towards clothing and making suits, or are we doing handbags and purses? However, I can tell you this is super flexible. Nothing in here that's rigid or going to break. When I shake it, something does move around on the inside. So what could it possibly be? Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, and so what we have, the first thing I'm going to pull out is a piece of fusible interfacing. All right, let's keep going. I think there's probably more. And we have a zipper, and we have this funky little hook thing, doopa-doopa-doo. And then lastly, we have a cute little pattern. Okay, so let me give some explanation into this. Every year when we do this fabric and gift countdown, we always get people asking us for projects. Can we get a project? Can we get something that's self-contained that we can make with what we get? And so this was our version of that. And we picked this pattern for several reasons. So this is made by Bodobobags. Bodobobags is the very, very first company that was featured in the very, very first Cotton Cuts box 9 years ago. She is a fantastic designer. Natalie is amazing at Tickle Designs. And she was our featured designer that month. She also sponsored our zipper pulls that month as well. And when it came down to a project, I have made this bag roughly 1,000 times, this teeny tiny little pouch. And it is about 3 inches by 2 inches, which sounds so hard, but because this pattern is so amazing, it can be done in about an hour's time. And so we wanted to include the ingredients that you would need in order to get it done by adding 2 pieces of fabric. So you're going to get 2 pieces of fabric. You're going to include the zipper, the fusible interfacing, and the hook that we've given you, and you will have one of these bags made in about an hour's time. Now, let me explain this. So when I've made this bag before, I have loved using this fusible interfacing for the bag because you can iron on your fabric on the front and the back, and it sticks to it. So when you quilt it, nothing slips. I've used lots of other products on the inside. This is the winner. It's going to make the best bag. It's going to make the sturdiest bag, and you are going to love it. And then we've included the zipper, and we've included the little hook pull. So you can put it on your purse, so you can put it on a backpack, so you can clip this to wherever you need it to be and put all sorts of teeny tiny, cute little fun things on the inside of it. So we love Natalie. We love Tickle Designs. I love this Bitsy Box. This is a fun project to make. Once you make one, I'm going to warn you, it's like a potato chip. It's really hard to just stop at one, but they are a ton of fun. This is something you guys can easily whip up for a birthday, for a gift, or even for yourself. I'm not going to, no judgment here. If you want to make one for you, you do you for sure. But all you need are 2 pieces of fabric that are approximately this big, and bam, you will have a cute little pouch. We love this, and we hope that you love this fun, quick little project as well. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.